Guys, today I'll be showing you what's inside my tackle box. Eagle Haul, so we got this thing to keep the fish alive, don't know what it's called. Nail cutter. Got my perch, some other weird fish, a spooner, show you that. Cook it. That's the same thing. Got some Pokeballs, if you're a kid you will use them as Pokeballs. But some bobbers, some trout bait, some big hooks in there, some weights. Got some of these, my fishing license. Move it out. Then you have some of this nice bass bait. This stuff I showed you guys before. These big Pokeballs or bobbers. You guys got this. I got 2 jigs in there. Some of these are nice. Got some tiny hooks. Got some bass hooks. Got some jigs. Some sinkers. 8-pound test line. Rusty whatever, I forgot the name. Some greasy bass baits. I'll show you. All of these came together. Not these. All these tackle box and my fishing license came with all these fishing license holder. Came with this. Got a nice tape measure. Got a couple other small bass baits. Some scissors. Pocket knife. This one's okay condition. Hold on, I'll show you guys. I just need to remove the rust. And then you got 10-pound test line, then my 50-pound test line, and then just some of these, which I have really no idea what they really are at the moment. If you guys know, comment below, and that is what is inside my tackle box. Peace.